Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new TV. This one is the Samsung HD TV. This one is the normal TVs, not the smart TV. As you already know, some of my previous video I already have the Samsung smart TV, and today video I want to test for the new thing with the normal TV. And let's see what is inside the box. Is there any different from the smart TV? Okay, so now let's open the box. Okay, in this package we have the remote control, some screw, we have the remote control, power supply cable, some screw, antenna adapter, and the remote control battery. Another side we have the warranty card, TV stand, and some of the user manual. Okay, and first of all you need to take out the screwdriver and the TV stand to install to the TV. Okay, on the TV stand you can see the label on it. This one is the left, and you can check out another one with it's marked with the right. So on below of the TV you can see they mark is this one is left, and on the receiver nearby the receiver it have the right. So just input your TV stand to the right position, to the correct position. Okay, now it's time to take out the box from the TV. Okay, now I already installed the TV stand, and as we just look from the outside, this one is look really similar to the smart TV. So now you can see from the outside view they are look really similar. Also the logo of the Samsung are in the same place. And let's check on the back of the TV. If we see on the back of the TV there's something different. You can see the smart TV it has more thickness, and the normal HD TV it just have only this here, the box. The control box is smaller than the smart TV, and you can notice that all the connection of the normal TV there is no any LAN cable connection, so it doesn't provide for the internet connection. But for the power supply and the HDMI and the USB port are the same to the smart TV. Okay, now have a closer look to the back side of the TV. Here we have the video, and the connection of the old model of the TV, component, AV input, and this one is the digital audio output. This one is the antenna, and you can see at the first time it provides this male to female. This purpose to make the downside direction of the antenna. So you just plug it, so you can input the antenna cable from the downside direction. And here we provide two HDMI cable connection, one USB, connection port, and here is the power supply. Okay, after we install everything, now it's time to input the power supply and turn on the TV at the first time. First of all, I just want you to see it's a remote control. So this one is the smart TV remote control, and this one is the normal TV. And it just look a bit different. This one it have the Netflix and the Prime Video button, and this one it don't provide the Netflix and Prime Video because the normal HD TV don't have the internet connection, and it's just a bit different like that. So we can skip for the smart TV remote. Okay, now I already input the power supply. So now I turn it on. Okay, when you first start up the TV, you will see the some default Thailand language here. So you just press the right button and then press the upper button to select the language back to English. And then you press the right button one more time, and now you can change your area. So I select the Asian and Europe, and you can now set the default setting of your TV. It's the store demos is for the TV that put on the store, and demo display for selling, and home use is for using at home for your option. So I choose the home use, and now it asks you to search your channel. So you can auto search your channel with digital and analog, or just digital or just analog, and I recommend to use the both digital and analog. And please make sure you already input your TV antenna into your TV. Okay, after it already search the channels, now it display to your TV all the local channel that it already got from the TV antenna. So you can check it out. Also, you can just press this channel list, CH list, and then it will display all the TV channel that it already catch up. So you can just select any TV channel and then press select on it. Or you just change channel one by one by this channel changing, or Anyway, you can go to another channel by press the number on here. So I want to go to the channel number 1 and then press select. Okay, and I think that's all for today's video of the unboxing the Samsung normal HD TV and set up to the TV. And that's all for today's video, and thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.